Welcome to Cert-Exams.com. In this video, we present Cert-Ex Switch Network Simulator product. Cert-Exams.com Switch Network Simulator is a comprehensive software tool for simulating Cisco IOS/PX switches and routers. The simulator provides users with a virtual environment to practice and test their network configurations and troubleshooting skills. It is primarily intended for entry-level learning tool and not for production environment. Some of the key features of the Cert-Exams.com Switch Network Simulator include: simulates a variety of switch and router models. The simulator includes a range of Cisco IOS/Juniper switches and routers, including popular models such as Cisco Catalyst 2950, Cisco Catalyst 3560, and Cisco 2621XM. Virtual environment. The simulator creates a virtual environment that simulates the behavior of physical network devices, allowing users to test and troubleshoot network configurations in a safe, risk-free environment. Graphical user interface (GUI). The simulator includes a user-friendly GUI that enables users to create and modify network topologies, configure switch and router interfaces, and perform basic network operations such as ping, traceroute, and telnet. Command line interface (CLI). The simulator also provides a CLI for accessing and configuring devices, giving users greater flexibility and control over their network configurations. Network visualization. The simulator includes a graphical representation of the network topology, enabling users to visualize and configure the lab network more effectively. VLAN support. The simulator supports virtual LAN, VLAN, configuration, allowing users to segment their network traffic and verify network configurations. Multiple configuration scenarios. The simulator includes a variety of network configuration scenarios that users can practice and test, including VLAN configuration, router on-a-stick configuration, and switch port security configuration. Customizable lab exercises. The simulator provides customizable lab exercises that users can use to practice and test their networking skills, with a variety of difficulty levels and topics. Overall, the Cert-Exams.com Switch Network Simulator is a useful and flexible tool for networking professionals and students who want to improve their knowledge and skills in Cisco/Juniper networking and intending to take any entry-level Cisco/Juniper certification exams. Thank you. Please visit Cert-Exams.com for more information.